Welcome back students. In today's lecture we will be discussing about different data types that are available in Java. Data types are the means to identify the type of data and associated operations of handling it. Means data types are used to define what type of data or what type of value a variable is going to store in it. Since data to be dealt with are of many types such as character, integer, real, string, etc., a programming language must provide ways and facilities to handle all types of data. Means different type of values or data like characters, integer, real, string are handled with the help of data types. Now, Java data types are categorized into two types. One is the primitive types and next one is the reference data types. Here, reference data types are also known as non-primitive data types. Now, starting with the primitive data types, these are the data types that are already embedded or built in the programming language. So these are also known as built-in data types, whereas reference data types are created by the user and they are also built in, hence they are also known as composite data types as they can be composed by the programmer. Now, first broad category of the primitive data types is numeric integral primitive types, fractional primitive types, character primitive types, and Boolean primitive types. Beginning with numeric integral types, these numeric integral data type is of four types: byte, short, int, long. Means in the broader way we can say that these data types are used to store a whole number that has no fractional part, means any number that does not contain a decimal point is an integer, and these all four data types can be used to store that particular number. But the range varies, where the byte data type is having smaller range and long is having the wider range. Means long can store maximum values as compared to other values like byte, short, or int. The following are the integers. 0 is an integer, 1 is an integer. See, integer type data can hold negative as well as positive numbers, means minus 125 is also a valid integer. 1,445,7 is again a valid integer as it does not contain a decimal point. Next, in contrast, the following are not integers. 5.34, it contains a decimal point, it is not an integer. Minus 1.0 again, dot 1.3 is again, it is not an integer as it contains decimal number. String, here string is enclosed in double quotes, it is a string data type, it is not an integer data type. Now, the different sizes of integers available are: a byte variable can store 1 byte, means 8 bits value. A short type variable can store the numbers between the with the maximum memory occupation of 2 bytes. Integers require 4 bytes in memory, that is 32 bits. Long requires 8 bytes in memory, means is 64 bits. Next are fractional floating point numeric data types. Fractional floating point numeric data types means they are used to store real numbers or floating numbers or decimal numbers. That is a number with a decimal point. The following are the floating point numbers. 3.0, it contains a decimal point, it is a floating point number. Minus the 111.5, it again can hold positive as well as negative numbers, and it contains a decimal point, so it is a floating point number. They can handle a larger range of numbers. The floating point numbers can handle wider range of numbers, and they are of two types. One is double and other one is float. A float requires 4 bytes in memory and double require 8 bytes in memory, and by default any of the real number or the fractional number is of the type double. And if we want to define explicitly a default type or a float type, we have to use capital D for double data type and capital F for float data type. Next one is character data types. The available data type to store a character is known as char, char. The term character is generally reserved for letters, numbers and punctuations. Means a character data type can store a single alphabet, a digit or an operation enclosed within a single quotation mark. And character data type requires 2 bytes in memory. The following are the valid character types: small a, capital A, @ dollar sign, 2. When they are enclosed in a single quote, they will be treated as a character. Next is Boolean data type. The values that are used to store true or false, that is 0 or 1, is a Boolean data type, that is represented by Boolean with beginning with small b. This data type only have two possible values, true or false. True means 1 and false means 0. Any non-zero value is equivalent to true in a programming language. Use this data type to represent a single true or false value. Now we see Java reserves 8 bits, but this type only uses 1 bit. The memory reserved for this Boolean type is of 8 bits, but we need they can have only two values, either 0 or 1. So only 1 bit is required to store the Boolean values. Thank you.